ستاسو په فامیل کې څو کسان دي؟
How many people are there in your family? How many people are there in your family?
زمونږ په فامیل کې څلور کسان دي.
There are 4 people in our family. There are 4 people in our family.
زما پلار،
My father,
زما مور،
my mother,
زما نیا
my grandmother,
او زه.
and me.
آیا ستا فامیل په کور کې اوسیږي یا په اپارټمنټ کې؟
Does your family live in a house or apartment? Does your family live in a house or apartment?
مونږه په یو کور کې اوسیږو.
We live in a house.
We live in a house. ستا پلار څه کار کوي؟
What does your father do?
What does your father do? زما پلار یو استاد دی.
My father is a teacher.
My father is a teacher. آیا تاسو خویندې او وروڼه لرئ؟
Do you have any siblings?
Do you have any siblings? هو.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. تاسو څو خویندې او وروڼه لرئ؟
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
How many brothers and sisters do you have? زه څلور وروڼه او څلور خویندې لرم.
I have 4 brothers and 4 sisters.
I have 4 brothers and 4 sisters. تاسو چیرته اوسیږئ؟
Where do you live?
Where do you live? زه په پېښور کې اوسیږم.
I live in Peshawar.
I live in Peshawar.